G'day folks, Corey Hind, hope you're doing really well. So in our marketing agency, people are asking me, how are you guys using AI to do things? The answer is we're using it a lot. So we're systemizing parts of our process and we're using tools to help us do things faster, expand our research, etc. This video is about one of the custom GPTs we've built that we're going to let people use so that you can do better in this space yourself. So a custom GPT just means that you've got the paid version of ChatGPT and it lets you do some extra things and build these custom tools so that you can share the link with people, and the link will be in this video. You can share the link with people and they can do the thing. So it's pretty cool. The paid version of ChatGPT is very, very cool. So the BullsEye Phrase generator that I'm going to show you now is where we pretty much start with an SEO process. BullsEye Phrase just means the most important phrase for your business. So at the heart of what we do with our hybrid marketing systems, and we use that across ads and SEO or rank better on Google, etc. The hybrid idea is just do what you need to do to get the best possible result. So for example, you don't need to run 37 minutes for a marathon to win it. You just need to run 2 hours flat these days, right? So you engineer your thinking so that you win rather than overcommit time and resources and money to doing things perfectly, if that makes sense. So for most of our clients, that starts with, rather than look at 20 different phrases you want to win on Google, the vast majority of your people will be searching for one, maybe two. So we built this custom GPT, which is free to use. And if you look at it, we've got it here, good oil, BullsEye Phrase generator. And it says right here, find the most important phrase your business should rank for on Google. And this will do the thinking for you so that you know what it is. There's lots of ways to figure this out. Ask lots of people, survey people, etc. But if you look at this, it says, give me your website, your industry, and your town. I'll find your BullsEye phrase. Now, I usually know what these will be for clients because I know enough about their business to know what people will be searching for. So let's go. Website URL. Let's do this one. This is a landscaping business. So vidalandscape.co.nz. The industry is landscaping and the town or city is Auckland. So let's see what it comes up with and see if it's on point. I haven't done this before for this client, so let's check it out. So the BullsEye phrase is landscape in Auckland. 100% it is. That is what most people will search. If we look at the keyword search volume tools, that would, I've actually done keyword research for this client before, and that is definitely the thing that people mostly search for. Yeah, people will search for build a retaining wall, build a fence, redesign my garden, all that stuff, but this one gets the bulk of the search volume. So the idea is that you gear most of your work around that phrase, because if you win that phrase on Google, etc., you will be doing very well in business, because you'll be knocking whoever's on top at the moment, getting those free calls down a rung. It's also got some backup phrases: landscape design Auckland, landscapers Auckland, garden landscape in Auckland. Why this works: when people want out to design a construction work, they search landscaping plus city. Yes, that is true. So that's basically what this is. So in the description of this video, the link will be there. And then you'll also see some spots where you can talk to us if you need to get some help with this stuff. But it is a very, very basic starting point for SEO, which is, what race are we trying to win here? Okay, if you go to the gym, you've got a result in mind. If you play a sport, you've got a result in mind. If you've got a business, you've got a result in mind. For us, with hybrid SEO, we usually have a result in mind at the beginning. We want to try and win this phrase for this client across ChatGPT search, Google Maps, all the different places. So that's the video. Start there. We have other custom GPTs over here. I'll shoot more videos about those as well. They can help walk you along the path so that you can learn more, do better, rank better, and win in business, because that's the ultimate goal. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you need any help. Bye for now.